The P7K3 is a shortened version of the P7, inspired by the $4 Hong Kong pistol that uses straight blowback for operation. This version has a removable barrel and uses a sealed hydraulic recoil buffer in place of a gas cylinder. After swapping out the barrel and magazine, it can use 380 auto or 32 auto pistol cartridges, and after replacing the slide, magazine and barrel with floating chamber insert. The hydraulic recoil buffer of the P7K3 is prone to wear and causes a serious problem to operate the gun when it is worn down. Heckler Koch does not make a replacement part for the buffer. However, there are some commercial buffers available. An additional exchange tool is provided for all calibers to screw and unscrew the barrel nut that attaches the barrel to the frame. P7K3 are more rare in the USA than in Europe and are valued at higher prices, especially when they are in good condition. Heckler Koch was founded in 1949 by engineers Edmund Heckler, Theodore Koch, and Alex Seidel, formerly of the Mauser Rifle Company. Designed by Helmut Weldl.